artist is a very different perspective. So you get to learn a lot of things from collaborating with a lot of artists. So madami po akong matututunan.
Sino ba ang musical influences mo?
Mga Justin Bieber, like One Direction, mga pop musical talaga.
Sample naman ng konti.
Yung naman great.
Wait,
Namula si Ray.
Baby, baby, oh, like, baby, oh, like, baby, oh, I thought you'd always be mine.
Thank you, ayan, may sariling tunog din ang ating Justin Bieber dito sa Star Magic. Oh, it's baby, oh. Galing na ako nataisip talaga ng video yun. Okay, our next question. Sir Ted Robin.
Hello guys!
Hello po!
So if you're given a chance na makipag-collaborate sa mga YouTube stars, so who would it be? Yung non-ABS, of course.
Oh, Bailey, meron ka bang non-YouTube star that you're a fan of?
PewDiePie?
Okay. Bakit? Bakit siya gusto mong magka-collaborate?
He's funny.
He's funny. So you want your video to be fun, but people are gonna groove to it?
Yeah, you know what I mean?
Yeah, okay. So very
And
simple answer.
he has a big following, so people watch
It's gonna help out your video as well.
Exactly.
You have a big following.
He
So
has
if you guys,
45 million subscribers.
but if you guys collaborate, I'm sure all your fans are also gonna be going crazy over that.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. I have an accent when I talk to me, hopefully. Okay po? Ayan. Meron pa po ba tayong questions?
How about the others?
O the others daw, sino gusto nyo
At
collaborate?
least 5.
Khalil, who do you want to collaborate with?
Well, kung sa ibang taga-ibang bansa na international star, siguro si Casey Neistat. And then kung dito, si Gab Valenciano, kasi friend ko siya.
Sasayaw ka ba doon sa video na yun? For Kira. Kira, who do you want to collaborate with?
I would really like to collaborate with Shawn Mendes kasi mahilig din po siya sa gitara. And I also play the guitar, so it would be really nice to play with him. And also, ganda rin ang boses niya. Ayun po.
Kira, Shawn Mendes. Ayan. Sino ba bang may mga gusto maka-collaborate? Renee, do you have anybody you'd like to collaborate with?
Okay, well, siguro pag local po, I'd like to collaborate with Clarabelle. If international naman, sino ba? I think maybe Ed Sheeran, of course.
Ed Sheeran. Sana pwede natin silang i-contact, no? Sa tulog Star Magic tayo.
Hindi na mahirap yun. Follow-up question lang. Who among Star Magic artists or singers would you like to
collaborate?
Yes. Sa akin, sa Star
Ayan. Sino mga may gustong makakollaborate ng Star Magic artists dito? Maris, ikaw, sino?
Si Makoy ba?
Hindi naman kumakanta si Makoy.
Diba?
Baka sayaw. Wow.
Dance video.
Sa kantahan po si Casey Tandingan, si Inigo, at si Ann Curtis. Basta yung dalawa po.
Bakit sila follow-up ulit?
Napanood ko kasi yung nila, yung cover nila ng isang particular song. Sobrang ganda, ang daming mga riffs and runs. So, gusto kong makisali sa riffs and runs nila. So, parang feeling ko makakasabay ko sila. Wow! Joke!
Kaya naman.
Hindi naman, chill lang.
Sample daw, sample.
Sample ng riffs and runs.
Wala na pressure yung throat. Almost is never enough. So close. close to being in love. If I would have known that you wanted me the way I wanted you, maybe we wouldn't be two worlds apart, but right here in each other's arms.
Star Magic artist
Star Magic,
Bawal si Andre ba?
I don't know what to say, pero siguro Star Magic artist, sino bang Star Magic? Si...
Di naman kita
Yeah, si
aasar
Papa,
eh.
si Piola Basco. Kasi sila, I someone said that I heard.
Si Papa
Yeah, kasi sobrang sobrang
Nagano kasi, dumidilim pag yung masyadong bright yung
singing and
pag-average siya
especially
dumidilim.
acting din. So, dami mga tinitin Sir Piola.
Kaya hinahabol ko itong itim para magpantay.
Sa kabilang side.
Ito naman tayo sa kabilang side.
Hindi mo makontrol
Si
eh.
Jane Cristel.
CJ Cristel.
Ako si Kuya Bugoy. Sobrang gusto
Kaya
ko Star.
pag lalo na yung white na ganyan,
Pwede naman
nakita
natin
nyo.
start yung collab nila.
Pwede naman po natin gawin yun, di ba?
Ako din, nakagain si Kuya Bugoy. Idol
Kaya
ko yan.
nahabol ko ilalim para
Promise yun. Yung mga kulot mo, nakakakulot. Kaya nga ako nagpag-ibig na kaya dahil idol namin yung dalawa natin.
Yes. Alay natin magkaroon ng hiwalay na
Ay, pwede.
diba? Kaya sila dalawa, atas silang dalawa. Who knows, we can make it happen in Tunog Star Magic.
Nakilig.
Ayan, meron pa bang mga may gusto makakollaborate sa Star Magic? Ikaw, Jovet, sino gusto mong makakollaborate?